Is test prep nerve-wracking? Is test prep stressful? Is test prep a race against time? Is getting an excellent score a huge challenge? If you are looking for answers to any or all these questions, a new wave in the test prep is here to help. Test Prep Pundits has all the answers to your questions. It is a one-stop solutions for all your academic needs. Our premium online interactive content has hundreds of SAT and ACT test problems. Each problem has a detailed video solution, hundreds of hours of videos. Get real and instant results with real scores on the real SAT and ACT tests. Our tutors are real pundits and qualified in the test prep content. Our pundits are experienced and extensively trained in SAT and ACT prep. We build concepts which also helps you in college. Our programs merely focus on personalized learning and fit into every budget. Our strategies are best in the market that will help you achieve your best. What's next? Join Test Prep Pundits. Start with a free assessment test. Pundits is the way to go.